Hey guys, in the last few days, we've seen a flood of exciting developments in the field of artificial intelligence, from the unveiling of Vidu's AI model that challenges Sora, to Apple exploring partnerships with Openai for new features on the iPhone, and Google launching an AI-powered photo editing tool. In the meantime, Microsoft is improving its new iExplorer, and Italy is making strides with pioneering AI laws. To start, you know the drill. Comment below if you already use any video or image AI, what it's called and what you use it for, right? Because if I'm not familiar with it, I'll bring a new episode here to the channel, okay? Kicking off at this year's forum in Beijing, they showcased an amazing new AI model called Vidu, developed by Shungu AI in collaboration with Tsinghua University. What's interesting about Vidu is that it can generate 16-second video clips in crystal clear 1080p just by responding to a simple text command. It's set to go head-to-head with OpenAI's Sora, signifying a huge leap for China in the competitive generative AI scene. They're really pushing to be at the forefront of cutting-edge technology. The technology powering Vidu marries the best from two AI tech worlds, transformer models, and diffusion modeling. This synergy lets Vidu create videos that are not merely crisp, but incredibly lifelike, featuring intricate facial expressions and dynamic lighting effects. But what truly sets Vidu apart is its distinct emphasis on Chinese cultural elements. It's designed to incorporate iconic symbols like pandas and the legendary L dragon, which strongly resonates with content creators and Chinese audiences. This isn't just technological innovation, it is also a strategic move, underscoring China's ambition to propel AI while holding on to its cultural heritage. While I take a sip of my coffee, comment below what you think of Vidu's technology. Topic generated. Apple has now started to reconvene with OpenAI about incorporating the startup's technology into new iPhone features to be released later this year. These talks are back on track after a previous discussion at the beginning of the year that didn't amount to much. Apple is also in talks with Google over the potential use of Google's own Gemini chatbot technology. It's still not clear which tech partners Apple will strike a deal with, or if any deal will be finalized at all. They might end up making deals with both OpenAI and Google, which would be quite thrilling for iPhone users. The upcoming version of the iPhone's operating system will feature some new functionalities utilizing Apple's proprietary AI software, but Apple is also considering looking to add a chatbot feature similar to OpenAI ChatGPT and is still in search of partners to assist with this. News of these discussions first came to light in March of this year in a report by Bloomberg, and another company, Anthropic, also joined in these conversations. All of this is happening while Apple is gearing up for its Worldwide Developers Conference from June 10th to June 14th, where the company plans to introduce new AI software and services. They intend for these new features to work very smoothly with Apple devices and provide superior privacy than the new AI tools. Last year, the CEO of Apple mentioned that he uses OpenAI's GPT chat himself, but also noted that there were several issues that needed to be resolved. While I'm taking a sip of my coffee, comment below if you think Apple is quite late on this AI matter. Subject changed? Now Google is making some significant moves to improve AI for everyone. The tech giant recently filed a trademark for a new AI photography feature called Realfill, developed in collaboration with researchers from Cornell University. Realfill allows users to expand and repair existing images, leveraging up to 5 reference images. This technology aims to deliver more realistic and accurate results compared to old methods of completing images. The tool can add missing details or repair damaged sections in photographs, making it a particularly useful addition for Pixel smartphone users, Google users, or those who use the Google Photos app. Google is now making its latest AI features available on older phones. They just announced that their Gemini app will work on Android devices that are still on older versions like Android 10 and Android 11. They said they are doing this to ensure that even the oldest devices stay updated and their users can enjoy the latest technology no matter how old their phone is. Will StarTAC work? Across the pond in the UK, Google has been proactive in implementing these AI features following Samsung's announcements. Recently, Samsung updated its S23 lineup with new AI features and then extended these updates to the Galaxy S22 series. Remember that Google was behind this partnership, and the first Samsung device to use Gemini was the Galaxy S. Google is taking a similar approach by expanding access to the Gemini app, improving the user experience across a wider range of devices. Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to stay updated. Your likes and subscriptions contribute to the project's growth, and as it grows, I'll be able to bring you even more interesting videos. Agreed? Thanks for your support. Now, let's move on to the next topic. AI Explorer is a new feature coming to Windows 11 that will make everything on your computer searchable. It can help you summarize emails and perform tasks like removing the background from images. Microsoft has been adding AI functionality to Windows recently, and AI Explorer is gaining a lot of attention. It could be a big incentive for people to buy PCs with AI. There's a report that Microsoft will unveil the AI Explorer at a special event for Windows on May 20th, but it may only be available on computers with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon X series CPU. This CPU has a neural processing unit that lets the computer handle AI tasks independently without the need to send data to the cloud. Now, AI Explorer is expected to make Windows 11 smarter by being aware of the context of what you're doing. This could make everything you do on the PC searchable, even across different applications. That means you could search for web pages you've visited, images you've opened, or even find bits of conversations. It could also summarize web pages, emails, and conversations right on your computer. This would be faster than using cloud-based AI tools because it processes everything locally. You could choose to prevent certain apps from being monitored by AI Explorer, or completely turn off monitoring if you prefer. The feature will have a user interface that appears at the top of your screen. It will keep track of what you do and make everything you're doing searchable. For instance, you could ask it to pull up discussions about Prime's TV show Fallout, and it would find those chats for you. And it's not merely a research tool. It can also analyze what's on your screen and suggest tasks like removing an image's background with a single click using Paint. A feature called Screen Understanding could assist you in writing email responses or comparing documents using Microsoft Copilot. In addition to AI Explorer, Microsoft is working on other features as well, like live subtitles and real-time translation, enhancing games with improved visuals and smoother frame rates, as well as new Windows Studio effects. As I'm taking a sip here from my coffee, comment below if you would live on a system that keeps monitoring everything you're doing on the computer. Is it useful? Is it scary? Would you use it? Comment below. Switching the topic, Italy became the first country to introduce a set of laws specifically for artificial intelligence. The Italian government has approved new rules that focus on ensuring AI is used safely and helps Italy stay competitive in this technology. The laws cover 5 main areas: national strategy, supervisory authorities, promotional efforts, copyright protection, and criminal penalties. They also aim to bring Italian rules in line with European Union standards, especially in regards to how people learn about AI, professional training, and the updating of criminal laws for AI-related crimes. Alexo Bucchi, Italy's Undersecretary for Innovation, stated these rules align with the European Union's AI Act and have been discussed with other G7 countries. He clarified these laws distinctly dictate who will plan, oversee, disseminate, and enforce AI regulations. The bill introduces two national entities for AI within the Italy Digital Agency and the National Cybersecurity Agency. These organizations will be responsible for the execution and infusion of national and EU AI laws. The new guidelines also aim to entice AI expertise to Italy by providing tax cuts to Italians returning from overseas. This includes a scheme to invest 1 billion euros in assisting small Italian firms utilize AI. With the forthcoming EU elections, Italy is also committed to preventing harmful AI-created content. Justice Minister Carlo Nordio has stated that anyone who distributes fake AI-created images or videos without permission could face 1 to 5 years in jail. In addition, deceptive uses of AI will be considered a serious additional crime in cases such as identity theft, price manipulation, fraud, and money laundering. Meanwhile, researchers at Sapienza University are working on new Italian language AI models named Manura. These models are being developed from scratch using a large number of both Italian and English texts and are intended to be open to scientists and soon the public. Please share your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to discuss the various topics in the video. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Up here now, there are recommendations for other videos that make perfect sense for you to watch. See you in the next video. Bye for now.